So to wonder how we can decrease our electrical intake by creating a renewable energy source able to withstand all our everyday needs can prove to be a challenge both physically and mentally. Due to the massive consumption of non-renewable energy, we have interfered with Earth's natural state and potentially causing damage. We are carelessly using energy without any presumptuous thoughts nor batting an eye to how detrimental it is towards the environment around us. We were perplexed to see how people use energy on a day-to-day basis, thus a need for change within us erupted. So we would like to share with you our notions. With each infinitesimal steps gradually advancing comes with the outcome of great accomplishments to be achieved with and without intransigence. Envisioning what could be accomplished from this perplexing task can contribute to this coherently economizing world. Nevertheless, little has been thought through to revolutionize the way we contribute to producing and receiving energy. The more protracted time gets, the more dreadful the outcome will be for our planet, Earth.
Greetings, my name is Kian.
My name is Dean.
Today we are here to elaborate and demonstrate the thermoelectric effect, also known as the Seebeck effect.
So, what if we can produce electricity by using nothing but solar energy and the water? Fortunately, we'll find out right now using this system. The system that you are currently observing here is what we call a thermoelectric solar cooker. It is a system that absorbs heat from the sun thermally to create a temperature difference coherently with the thermoelectric modules.
The simple made device you are seeing here is what we would like to call an arc lens. The way this works is by simply adding water onto a sheet of plastic. Which will create a curved line. The water will then gather sunlight into its center, allowing light to project through and create heat.
The way this works is when temperature rises on one side, electrons will relocate from the hot side to the cold side. The temperature difference occurs when and will create a potential of voltage difference as the system is connected in a series. The reason for this is to gain enough voltage for the process to function. This phenomenon is what we describe as the thermoelectric effect or the Seebeck effect. In addition, the color selection for the system's surface tray, in this case black, also plays a significant role as black is the color that traps all the heat from the light rays without reflecting any away. As you can see here, our current system's certain flaws in association with the projected light rays was not able to produce enough voltage for the USB module to display numbers, unfortunately, but instead was able to show proof that a potential difference is occurring through the signifying red dot, which indicates that the voltage is passing through from the system. As seen in the video, we adjusted the aqua lens so that a spreaded concentrated point is pointed onto the surface directly. Our self-made aqua lens consists of a simple sheet of plastic wrapped around a circular wooden ring and water to create a curvature line due to the weight of the added water. We made this aqua lens due to how inexpensive and widely accessible the materials are, instead of using fire or more expensive materials towards people living in difficult geographical conditions where electricity is not abundant. The whole sequitur behind this experiment is to demonstrate that electricity, which is a significant resource vital to many of us, can be accessible within various conditions. In addition, the TSC system can also act as a food cooker, using the heat produced from the aqualens, while electricity can be kept away for other purposes. Although this experimentation and elaboration is a little bit on the incomplete side, me and my partner will strive further to ensure that electricity will be properly generated with our system and be able to be utilized within the conventional scope. We thank you for your cooperation and we hope to see you at the GNHD final competition. Thank you.